Hello guys, how are you? This is Miss Farah Talat, your Chinese teacher. How to say Chinese? 汉语. This is the 10th class for grade number 4. So, going through what we took quickly. Ni hao, how to say hello. Then, initials b, p, m, f, d, t, n, l, g, k, h. Another initials s, ts, z, sh, ch, zh, shi, chi, ji, r, wu, ye. Then we start taking the finals. A, o, I, u, ü. Then we took the tones. A, first tone. Second tone, a, like you're asking a question. Third tone, a, you're going from up to down to up. And then fourth tone, a, like you're cutting your voice. Zero tone, guys, it's like pronouncing the letter with no any tone above it. So a, okay. Then we took, whenever you change the tone, this means that you're changing the meaning. And we started reading a lot of things and talking about the grammar of if you had third tone and immediately after it a third tone, you have to change it into second tone and then third tone. For example, you cannot pronounce it ni hao, you have to pronounce it ni hao, ni hao. Then we start taking the ke of conversations, which is ni hao, how to say hello. And in the previous class we took how to say hello and how to say how are you. So we took how to say hello, which is ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. And then B is answering A for like, because he's younger, so he's gonna answer in a respectful way. So he's gonna say Nin hao, Nin hao, Nin hao. And remember that we changed the tone into second tone, Nin hao. Then here A, the older one, he said how are you and asked B how are you. How to say it? Ni hao ma, ni hao ma. Second tone, ni hao ma, zero tone, ni hao ma with a question mark. And if we want to go back to the meanings, guys, we said that we have ni, which means you, but not for respect one. Nin, in the other hand, is for the respectful. Hao, which means good or fine, hao or hao. If we combine them together, ni hao or nian hao, it's gonna be what? Hello in Chinese. Then we took ma, which comes at the end of long questions. It's a model, comes at the end of the long questions, and after it immediately you must put a what? A question mark. So here in Chinese, if it's like Lego, if you put ni with hao and you put them with ma and a question mark, it's gonna be how are you. So ni hao ma, ni hao ma, ni hao ma. If we want to pronounce it faster, ni hao ma or ni hao ma, ni hao ma, which means what? Which means how are you or are you good. Then today, guys, we're going to continue how to answer when anyone starts asking you. So this is a continue from di ke, lesson number 1. We're going to say how to answer when anyone is asking you about yourself or how are you doing. So B will say here something to A. He will say 我很好 full stop. Then he's gonna continue saying 您 na with a question mark. Too many new words, huh? Okay, let's start with them. 我 repeat after me. 我很好您 Neen. Na. 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 Here notice guys that we have third, third, third. So the rule is saying you change the third into what? Second, second, only in pronunciation, and you keep the third one as it is. So it's gonna be what? 我很好，我很好，我很好，我很好，我很好，我很好，我很好。你呢？你呢？你呢？你呢？你呢？你呢？我很好，你呢？ Repeat after me. 我很好，你呢？我很好，你呢？طيب, let's take the meanings. What is the meaning for 我? And then we took很, and we took 我. We were going to take 我. We're going to take 很, 好, we already took it. 你, we already took it. So we're left with what? With na. With na. So let's take the meaning of each one of them. So what is the meaning of 我? We took the meaning of ni, you. Now we're in English. When anyone is asking us, how are you? You're gonna say what? The first thing, I am. And we said we do not have am. So I, guys, here means what? It means I or me. So it means I or me. In Chinese, guys, as we said that we do not have an am. So it's not gonna be I by itself. I'm not gonna write it like this. It's gonna be what? I am. Together. Okay, so together it means 我, I am, or me. It means me. Okay, so I am or me. 我. Okay, you're gonna say what? 我好. So 我, we said I, and imagine you have an M. I am. Okay, so you're saying I. And 好, we said, what is the meaning of 好? What is the meaning of 好? It means good. So here we're missing with only one word, which is what? What can you guess? I am very good. So here,很, guys,很means very.很means very. Okay, so it means very good. And here, 我很, so 很means very. He's saying what here? He's saying I am very good. 我很好, 我很好. 您, we took 您 means you, but for respectful one, correct? 您 means you for respectful one. Here, the na. Na is a new word for you. What is the meaning of it? It's like ma, guys. Where's ma? Here is ma. It's like ma. It comes what? At the end of short questions. So it comes at the end of short question, and also after it a question mark. After it we put a question mark. It comes with the meaning of and you. Nina, guys, comes with the meaning and you. So whenever you will see na, you need to know something, that it's asking question. Why did I say short? Because how are you is a long question, but and you is a short question. Here, guys, you have to know something. Whenever you will find na it means that he's asking a question that it's already asked before. So here he's not asking a new question. He's not saying like, Ma, how are you? For the first time you're asking this question. Here he's saying, and you, what is the question that has been asked before, which is how are you? So he's asking, and you, how are you? And you, how are you? So here na means that you're asking a question, a short question about something that has been already asked before, like ni hao ma. So you're repeating and asking ni na, which means and you. Okay, so 我很好, I'm very good. 你呢? And you. So here we have and you because we have na. And you. So whenever guys, you can take it as a rule if you want to. Whenever you will see Nina or Nina, sorry for this. Okay, whenever you will see ni or nin with na and a question mark, I should write it in pink. So ni or nin with na and a question mark, you immediately know that the meaning of this is and you, or what about you. Let's write it also. What about you, or what about you. Nina, which means what about you, or and you. Okay, we used nin for respect because here B is asking A this question. So again, 我很好, I am very good. Nina, and you, or what about you. So A here is gonna answer what question? He's gonna answer the question of how are you, because it has been already asked. So A here, the respectful one, sorry, the older one will say what? How to say I am? How to say I am? 我. Then he's gonna say a new word for us here. 也很好，我也很好，我也很好。So here guys, what is the meaning of 我? What is the meaning of 我? I am or me. So here he's saying I am. What is the meaning of 很? Very. What is the meaning of 好? Good. So what do you think when someone is asking another one, what about you? He's saying, I'm very good. But here he's asking, what about you and you? So you're gonna answer with saying, I am also very good. I am also very good. I do not have a space here, so I'm gonna write it in the next, no, I'm gonna write it just up here in order for you to keep it one page and do not go back. So I'm gonna write it with red in order for you to notice it. So here, yeah. What is the meaning of yeah? Yeah means also or to. Also or to. Yeah. Here. Yeah means also or to. So here he's saying, I'm also very good. Let's read them one more time. 你好, 你好, 您好, 您好, 你好吗? 你好吗? 我很好, 你呢? 我很好, 你呢? 我很好, 你呢? 我也很好. 我 remember here second, second, and this one is the third. 我也很好，我也很好，我也很好。Okay? 你好，你好，您好，你好吗？我很好，你呢？我也很好。Again, meanings, going through the meanings. 你, which means you for singular. 好, which means good. Together will be 你好, which means hello. For respectful one, you will put n after the e, so it's going to be 您好, which means hello, or 您, which means you for respect. Ma comes at the end of the question, long one, and you put a question mark for any question that you're asking it for the first time. 你好吗, which means how are you? 我, which means I am or me. 很, which means very. 呢 comes at the end of the short question, which means when you put it with ni or nien, it means and you or what about you. And finally, we put one here, which is ye. Ye means also or good, too. Sorry, also or too. So 我也很好. That's it for today, guys. If you have any question, you are so welcome to ask me. And please memorize the conversation because it's the first conversation that we will take for this class. Okay? Thank you, guys, and bye-bye.